Sabah everybody and welcome back to the channel, and today I want to talk to you guys about the most unique feature about the Galaxy Note line of devices. And you probably already guessed it from the title, it is the S Pen. It's been getting better year over year, and Samsung finally unveiled the Galaxy Note 10 and 10 Plus, and I had the opportunity to check them out with a hands-on at the launch event. I saw some of the brand new features that they added to the S Pen. It's no longer capable of just initiating photos. We can do so much more. Let's check out the new features of the brand new S Pen on the Galaxy Note 10 and 10 Plus. So the S Pen has been getting better year over year. We've seen more features added to it, and then ever since the Note 9 device, the S Pen started having functionalities outside of or away from the phone, and that was the ability of using it as a trigger to initiate pictures using the Galaxy Note 9. Now, that's definitely a very nice and very cool functional feature, but then what they did with the Note 10 and 10 Plus is that they took it to the next level and we added a gyroscope. That gives us the ability of actually doing air gestures, kind of like being a Harry Potter here on your phone, being able to basically switch between the modes, going between basically, like night mode, photo mode, being able to actually even flip between the front camera and the back camera. That's something that is very, very unique now. No other device has an external controller that initiates gestures on their device. Now, switching this over a little bit, they gave us, of course, some additional functionalities with the AR Doodles, the ability of basically putting function and form, meaning using the front-facing camera and the S Pen to be able to initiate AR experiences that stay on the subject as you draw them. As you can see with the video that I'm showing you right now, it basically allowed me to put a hat on myself and then put some little squiggles, and then the moment I leave the frame and then it goes away, and as soon as I come back, it comes back to me and it recognizes that my face was the one that we drew on, and it is free floating and it recognizes it very well. Now, the last thing we also saw there is that some of the new things that they've showed us here is that now prediction as far as the S Pen is going to be a little bit better. Is when you leave your notes with your handwriting, it automatically transcribes that into regular text and they become indexed, meaning you can actually search for it when you're looking for things on your phone. The last thing that I really saw that was very, very nice and very functional is the ability of using the S Pen to actually control other applications outside of just being in, let's say, Samsung-based applications. Let's say Google or YouTube, basically. You're able to go in there, skip forward, skip back, increase and reduce the volume, and of course, just as long as developers are able to include the new SDK that's been made available by Samsung, we should be able to see more and more gesture-based initiations built into that brand new S Pen. It becomes even more powerful than it is right now. So all of the features that I shared with you guys right now are some of the brand new features that we saw. Now, hopefully the AR Doodles functionality will come down to earlier Note devices, so you're able to use it there. But as far as the functionalities of using the gyroscope built in, that is definitely a Note 10 and Note 10 Plus functionality. The SDK has been made available, and so hopefully third-party developers will be able to integrate some of these functionalities, and we'll be able to basically see them function much better on the basically other applications. Now, I was able to test it on the YouTube application to increase and reduce the volume there, but that was mostly a system UI, not necessarily the app. But you're also able to seek forward and seek back as basically a playback functionality in there. So again, definitely can get a lot better with more support from third-party developers. And the last thing I didn't mention to you guys is that actually battery, as far as charging and discharging this, the battery doesn't last that long, but it does recharge pretty quickly when you put it back into your phone. So this is not intended for like really long sessions, but you should be able to use it for, let's say, if you're setting up a shot and want to initiate a video, everything should be great. Let me know in the comments below what other features you'd like me to focus on for the Galaxy Note line of devices, the 10 and the 10 Plus. I did have my pre-order put in, so I cannot wait to get those in there. I'm hoping to be able to get a review unit. If I do, I'll start having some more content for you guys very, very soon. Like and subscribe as usual. Thank you very much for the support, and I'll see you guys in the next video.